Am I audible now? Please mention. Am I audible now? Please mention. I think now it is audible, but there is some audio issue, I guess. Audio is clear. Shall we continue? Okay, then let's start. Okay. So this is a series where we are discussing through the flashcards. There are 100 flashcards which are available in our mobile application Christy's classes, and it is also available in Google Books and Kindle also. And we are trying to make it available through Amazon as printed books also. Like in a duration of 1 month, you will be able to see it in Amazon hopefully. So and in the series we have already taken 4 lectures: number system, permutation, combination, probability, percentage, profit, loss, discount and interest. Those of you missed those lectures, I have tagged the link of the playlist in the comment section. There you can find, or visit the YouTube channel playlist. You can find the playlist where we have discussed the previous videos. Okay, so for the new people, my name is Christy Varghese. I have trained more than 2 lakh learners in the last 10 years for different competitive exams, including UPSC, UPSC Civil Service, GATE, NET, CUET, etc. And I'm also an international speed maths trainer. I teach students all like in India and outside India for how to do math in a more faster way, or how to do mental math and speed maths also. So more about me you can see here, and these are the books I have written for general aptitude and speed maths, and these are the resources we provide. In the description of the video you can find the links. There is a website, there is a Telegram channel, WhatsApp group and mobile application named Christy's Classes. You can scan these QR code or check the description of the video to find the link of these resources, and check out the other playlists in this channel. For different exams we have provided dedicated playlist, and for UPSC exam a playlist with currently 64 videos. More videos will be uploaded in the future, are available in the in this channel. And there is a dedicated Telegram channel for UPSC exam, and there is another Telegram channel for other exams also. In the description of the video you can find all that. These are the other playlists we have recently completed in the UPSC for the UPSC CSAT, for comprehension, for quantitative aptitude and reasoning. This is where the previous year questions are discussed more. In the flashcard revision we are completely devoting to discuss the theory or revise the theory before the exam. So the purpose of both the playlists are different. So those of you missed the previous playlist where all these 40 topics are covered, you can check out that playlist in this channel already. And these are the paid courses or paid initiatives we run in our mobile application Christy's Classes. And one special announcement, we have launched the GATE complete course for GATE aspirants, GATE 2025 general aptitude complete course with 60 live lectures and online study materials. So I will let you know more about it towards the end of the class. Okay, and for CSIR NET, this is the complete course details that is also available now at a reduced price for 3 months subscription. So the flashcards, if you want to get for your exam, we have provided it at a nominal or almost 0 price with only the internet handling charges and taxes in only you have to pay. So these are the flashcards that is available with 20-day validity. Otherwise you can get it for 1 year validity with the normal subscriptions. And for CSIR NET, complete courses with 3 months, 6 months and 1 year duration are also available. Okay, so that's the intro. So let's start today's topic: average and mixtures. Average means many things we commonly call as average, but if nothing else mentioned, average means arithmetic mean. Average means arithmetic mean. So what is arithmetic mean? Sum of observation divided by number of observation. For example, I got on an average 85% means all my subject mark divided by number of subjects. All my subject marks added divided by number of subjects. That is the average marks. Now that is 10, 14, 36. 10 plus 14 plus 36 divided by 3 will be the arithmetic mean or average. So that is very clear now. So if no other term is mentioned, average basically means arithmetic mean. But there are many other types of average also. For example, geometric mean. अरिथमेटिक मीन में सम करके डिवाइड करेगा, ज्योमेट्रिक मीन में मल्टीप्लाई करके रूट लेगा. So for example 10 and 20 geometric mean, you have to multiply 10 and 20, take the square root. Why square root? Because 2 terms only. If there are 3 terms, you have to take the third root. If there are 4 terms, take the 4th root and so on. 469 का geometric mean क्या होगा? 4 into 6 into 9 216 है. 216 6 का cube है ना, so 216 का third root 6 होगा ना, so that is a geometric mean. All of you clear this much? Then another measure, these all are in mathematics or statistics, these are called measures of central tendency. Measures of central tendency. Another measure of central tendency is median. Median is the middle value. Simply speaking, median is the middle value. But middle value only after arranging the numbers in increasing order or decreasing order. For example, 12, 2, 23, 67, 1, 12, 98. What is the median of this? First you have to arrange it in increasing order. Smallest number is 1, next 2. Likewise you arrange it in increasing order. Median will be the middle term. Middle term means it is the number that separate, or it is a value that separate higher half and lower half. Higher half and lower half means, for example, look at this case. This 12, below that there are 3 numbers, above that there are 3 numbers. That is why this is the middle number. Or mathematically, if you want, you can write it as n plus 1 by 2. That observation will be the middle term if there are odd number of observation. But by hearting like that is not necessary. If you just look at it and say 7 numbers are the 4th number के पहले 3 numbers, बाद में 3 numbers. So that is the middle number na. Or 7 numbers, mathematically speaking, 7 plus 1, 8 by 2. 4th term will be the middle term. 4th term is 12 here. So 12 is the middle number. Easy, right? So that is about median. But if there are even number of observation, there is a small problem that can encounter. For example, 15, 10, 50, 13, 6, 47. If you find the median, you will get like this. Sorry, if you arrange the numbers in increasing order, you will get like this. 6, 10, 13, 15, 47, 50. Which is that middle value that separates higher half and lower half? Higher half, lower half means 3 numbers above, 3 numbers below, but there is no middle number. So you have to consider these 2 numbers, both are middle numbers. But दोनों median नहीं हो सकता. There will not be 2 medians. Median should be a single value. So median find करने के लिए 2 middle numbers है तो वो दोनों numbers का average या arithmetic mean find करना है. Arithmetic mean find करना है. 13 and 15. So 13 plus 15 by 2, 14 will be the middle number or median if there are even number of observation. Or mathematically speaking, n by 2th term and n by 2 plus 1th term, these are the 2 middle values. For example, here 8 numbers are there na. 8 by 2 4th term and 4 plus 1 5th term. 13 and 15 are 4th and 5th term. Sorry, it is not 8 term, it is 6 terms na. 6 by 2 3 and 3 plus 1 4. 13 and 15 are 3rd and 4th term. So the average of those 2 middle values will be the median if there are even number of observation. Is it clear all of you? Median, what it is? Finally, what is mode? Mode is most frequently occurring observation. For example, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 2, 2, 2, 5, 2. 2 is occurring 4 times. No other number is occurring 2 more than 4 times or 4 or more than 4 times. Unlike mean and median, mode can be multimodal also. Multimodal means there can be multiple modes also for a single set of observation. For example, look at this. Here 4 is 3 times, 5 is 3 times. That means 4 and 5 both are mode. Don't take the arithmetic mean or anything of 4 and 5. That is only for median. Mode can be multimodal also. There can be more than one modes also. If 2 numbers are equal in number and that number is more than any other number of occurrence of any other number, both of them will be mode. Or more than 2 modes also is possible. All of you clear this much? Mean, median, mode. There are harmonic mean also, but for the exams that you are appearing, that harmonic mean and all is not necessary at all. This much is clear now. Now, most of the question or maximum questions are from arithmetic mean. So, the properties of arithmetic mean is very important. Properties of arithmetic mean. All of you go through this flashcard. I will just start explaining to get some water and come. So all of you go through this flashcard, the properties of arithmetic mean, and please let me know, are you understanding the concepts we have discussed till now? In the first flashcard we have discussed. try this please. Okay, so let's continue. So these are some important properties of arithmetic mean. First thing, for an arithmetic progression, arithmetic mean and median are equal. This will help in many questions because this will help to find arithmetic mean faster. For example, these are the marks of 7 students in a class. What is the average value or arithmetic mean of that observations? How to find it? You don't have to add all the 7 numbers and divide by 7 because these are following an arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression in number system chapter I already discussed now. There's a common difference. 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 4 is 13, 13 plus 4 is 17, 17 plus 4 is 21, 21 plus 4 is 25. So there's a common difference of 4. So if there is a common difference, that is called arithmetic progression. If it is arithmetic progression, mean and median will be equal. Normally median is easy to find than mean, because median is just the middle value. You don't have to add values or anything. So here the median, as it is already in increasing order, the median is this middle value 13. That median itself will be the arithmetic mean. So that is the first property. Is it clear all of you? For an arithmetic progression, mean and median are equal. This will help you to save time in solving questions. So first property is clear. Second property, value of arithmetic mean will always be between the value. For example, if this is a set of values of like for a class test, these are the marks of students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers are there. Adding all the 8 numbers and dividing by 8, that is how you can find arithmetic mean exactly. But at least you can say arithmetic mean value will be between 10 and 14 because 10 is the minimum value and 14 is the maximum value in this observations. Arithmetic mean will always be between the values. It will always be between the values. All clear? Arithmetic mean will be between the values. So that property also keep in mind because that is in previous year questions also that was used one case where the question can be done faster if you are using this idea. Now the third idea is very important in solving questions faster. Sum of deviations from their arithmetic mean is 0. What is deviation? Xi minus x bar, that is what in statistics we define like that. But if statistical terms or terminologies are confusing you, I'll tell you in very simple terms. Think that 8, 9, 13, 14 other 8, 9, 13. Why? Shanti, because 10 is the minimum value and 14 is the maximum value. The property we discuss now is value of arithmetic mean will always be between the values. Between the values means it will be smaller than the, again that is practically also you can say that na. For example, if a cricket batsman is scoring 70 runs in the first match, 20 runs in the second match, 50 runs in the third match, 42 runs in the fourth match. So minimum he scored 20. So his average is definitely more than 20. Maximum he scored 70. So his average is clearly less than 70. That is what this property is saying. Similarly here 10 is the minimum, 14 is the maximum. So arithmetic mean should be in between that. Hope it is clear. So deviations 8, 9, 13, 14. Look at this example. First find the arithmetic mean. Here it is not arithmetic progression. So you have to add the values and divide by 4 numbers. 4. 8 plus 9 plus 13 plus 14 add किया तो 44 मिलेगा ना. 44 by 4 क्या है? 44 by 4 11 है. So arithmetic mean तो 11 है. So average value 11 है तो deviation कैसा find करेगा? Deviation just means number minus arithmetic mean. Number minus arithmetic mean. Number minus arithmetic mean means 8 minus 11 क्या है? 8 11 से कितना दूर है? That is what the idea of deviation is. how much away it is. 8 minus 11 is minus 3. Yeah, minus also you have to represent. 9 minus 11 is minus 2. 13 minus 11 is plus 2. 14 minus 11 is plus 3. All of you are getting? So, these are called deviations. When deviations are added, that will always be equal to 0. Always be equal to 0. Minus 3, minus 2, minus plus 2, plus 3 add किया तो 0 मिल रहा है ना, sum of deviations. And why this is relevant or how this is important. For example, this was asked in previous years. If the question says that 8, 9, 13 and the fourth number is missing. We don't know what is the fourth number. But we know that the arithmetic mean is 11 for this observation. Then what is the fourth number? So if you don't know this theory of deviation, you will do it like this. 8 plus 9 plus 13 plus x divided by 4 is equal to 11. In school days, you have done the same question, but with this long method. But competitive exams mein itna time nahi hai. So you should not do the steps. Instead, what you can do? We know that deviations will add up to 0 na? और practically सोचो इसका मीनिंग क्या है. Think that these are the marks of students, marks of a single student for 4 subjects. फर्स्ट सब्जेक्ट के लिए उसको 8 मिला, सेकंड के लिए 9, थर्ड के लिए 13 और उसका एवरेज वैल्यू 11 है, हमें ऑलरेडी पता है. So what was the score of him in the fourth subject? That is what we need to know. So for that you can practically think उसका एवरेज 11 है तो फर्स्ट सब्जेक्ट में एवरेज से भी 3 कम मिला. He got 3 less than the average. Second subject he got 2 less than the average. Third subject he got 2 more than the average. That means 3 less, 2 less. This 2 less is compensated by this 2 extra here. So that will cancel each other, na? So that these two added will reach the average itself. But this 3 less, to compensate that you need something 3 more. That means the fourth run or fourth score should be 3 more than the average. 3 more than the average is 14. Na? How many of you understood this idea? Deviations added should be always equal to 0. This will help you in doing questions easily. Real life also you can do this. I will show you one more practical example. For example, you have a budget. 4 weeks are there in a month. So you have an average budget for every week to be 1000 rupees. But first week you spend only 900 rupees. So what is there in your mind? On an average you can spend 1000 rupees per week. First week and you will complete 1000, 4000 after the month. So first week you saved 100 rupees. Na? You saved 100 rupees. But second week you spend 1200. That means you spend 200 extra than the average expense. Third week you spend 1000 rupees itself. That means no gain, no extra, no less. But what money you should spend in the fourth week so that this target can be achieved? Look at this. Here you saved 100, but here you extra spend 200 na? Extra spend 200. So minus 100 plus 200, 100 rupee already you are having a debt, we can say. Third week no effect because you didn't spend extra or less. But fourth week to total debt of 100 rupee, to satisfy that, how much you have to spend in the fourth week? You can spend only 900 rupees na? Because 100 extra, so that this minus 100 plus 200 plus 0 minus 100 add up to 0. That is what is called deviations add up to 0 always. All of you understood this? So in real life also deviation is a concept that will help you in financial planning or many daily life situations also. Sum of deviations from the arithmetic mean is always 0. And as I told in questions, this will be very helpful, this deviation idea. Deviation idea है तो ये formula directly use नहीं करना है, because formula use किया तो time ज़्यादा लगेगा. It will take more time actually. Okay, so the next property is very simple. If all observations are x, arithmetic mean is also x. For example, in 4 subjects, a student is getting 12, 12, 12, 12. Average value is also 12 now. Or cricket batsman scoring 12, 12, 12, 12 and getting out in all 4 matches. His average batting average for that 4 matches will be 12 itself. All clear? Now the next property is arithmetic mean always greater than or equal to geometric mean for the same set of observation. 469, geometric mean we discussed already here. Now 469 I showed you how to calculate geometric mean. 6. Arithmetic mean, what it will be? 4 plus 6 plus 9 by 3. 4 plus 6 plus 9 by 3. That is 19 by 3. 19 by 3, 6.33. Na? This arithmetic mean is more than geometric mean. Arithmetic mean is more than geometric mean. Sometimes it can be equal also. Especially when all observations are same, arithmetic mean is equal to geometric mean. For example, 6, 6, 6. Geometric mean is 6 into 6 into 6 square root, cube root. That is 6 itself. Na? Arithmetic mean is 6 plus 6 plus 6 divided by 3. If all observations are equal, arithmetic mean and geometric mean are equal. Otherwise, arithmetic mean will be greater than geometric mean. All clear? Finally, the concept of batch average. For example, in this class, if there are 6 men or 6 boys and 4 women or 4 girls, if the average weight of the 6 boys is 70 kg and average weight of this 4 girls is 60 kg, what is the combined average? Combined average or batch average. The 6 into 70, 4 into 60, that will be the total value of all the averages together. Na? Divided by total number of observation is 6 plus 4. It is nothing but the normal arithmetic mean formula itself, but the sum of observation, to find it, you use this multiplication. Some people don't remember this concept. When I am saying remember, I am saying this is something that you learned already in school. Na? But some people forgot that logic can just do 60 plus 70 by 2. That is totally wrong. 60 plus 70 by 2, 65 is not the average. 60 plus 70 by 2 kar sakta hai. You can do that if the number of observations are same for both the set of values. If it is 5 boys, 5 girls, 60 plus 40 by 2 is enough. Sorry, 60 plus 70 by 2 is enough. All of you are understanding? If number of observations are same or batch number is same, then it is fine. All clear? This much is clear? Now this concept of batch average extended, that is called alligation trick. Alligation trick. I'll come to that. First we will complete arithmetic mean, then we will go to alligation trick. So this much theory is completely clear now. Arithmetic mean, geometric mean, median, mode, and properties of arithmetic mean. Now this is one optional thing. If they want, they can ask, but directly this was asked very less. But if you, as you already know deviation, it is easy to understand standard deviation. What is deviation? You already understood, na? Distance from the mean, that is called deviation. That deviation we are standardizing, that is called standard deviation. You have heard the word standard deviation many a times, na? Because that is a measure of how much consistent the data is. How much consistent the data is. For example, if a cricket batsman is scoring this runs, another cricket batsman scoring another set of runs, who is more consistent? How to find it? Find standard deviation. Lesser the standard deviation, more consistent the values are. I will explain very fast what is standard deviation and variance. For example, for 2 observation 2 and 6, to find the variance or standard deviation, find the mean first. 2 and 6, mean is 4 is very clear. Na? Find the deviations from the mean, which I taught you already. Na? 2 minus 4, 6 minus 4. So minus 2 and plus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 is 0. But don't cancel each other. As it will cancel each other, instead of adding the values, you add the square of it. You add the square of it. Minus 2 square and plus 2 square, both are 4. Na? And find the average of it. Find the average of it. That is called variance. Sum of squares of deviation. Sorry. Deviations का squares का average होगा variance. That's all. Deviations का squares का average होगा variance. One more example. 10, 20, 30. Arithmetic mean is 20 because it's an arithmetic progression. 10 minus 20, 20 minus 20, 30 minus 30. 30 minus 20 will be the deviations. Na? Minus 10, 0 and plus 10. Minus 10 square, 0 square, 10 square. That will be the square of deviation. Average of that. 3 observations, so you have to divide by 3. So 200 by 3 will be the variance. All of you clear what is variance? Now standard deviation is nothing but square root of variance. Square root of variance. Square root of variance is called standard deviation. Is this much clear, all of you? Again, this was not frequently asked, but if they want, they can definitely ask a new concept. So this is one concept which is an extension of arithmetic mean concept itself, or the deviation concept itself. Now another very important thing is, if all values are added or subtracted or multiplied or divided by a common number, what will happen to the arithmetic mean of it? Please go through it. Let me give a sound rest. Please go through this. Look at this example also. Go through this, please. If you're understanding the concept, please hit the like button. That will help YouTube also to recommend this video to more people. If you like the video, YouTube will be able to recommend it. That is how the YouTube algorithm works. If you are getting benefit by this video, do hit the like button, do comment on the video, do recommend it to more people. Once again reminding, this is a playlist where we are discussing theory only. All the questions related to this theory, we are posting it in the Telegram channel. From yesterday onwards, we have started that. Each lecture's questions we are posting in the Telegram channel. So be part of our Telegram channel where you can get more study materials. We have completed already a playlist where we discussed the previous year questions. So those questions we will post once again in the Telegram channel, and any associated videos that you can watch if you have time, that also I will be posting. Yesterday percentage, how to calculate percentage, we have learned. A more detailed version of that lecture, if you want, I have already posted it in our Telegram channel. Did you understand this flashcard? Please mention, otherwise I will explain. Okay, so I'll explain, listen carefully. So if all observations are added by a common number, arithmetic mean will also be added by a same common number. It is not very difficult concept. Look at this. For example, mark of 3 students are 10, 20, 30 out of 50. But the teacher is telling, so the average mark of the class is 20. But teacher is saying that this is bad. 20 average mark out of 50 is not good for that teacher. So the teacher says that we will add 10 mark to each of your observation. Then what will happen? All observations added, so average will also be added now, because mathematically speaking 10 plus 20 plus 30, you are adding 30 to that. 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30 to that, divided by the same 3 itself. So this 30, all values are getting the same benefit, so average will also be getting the same benefit. All of you are understanding this. Imagine it with practical examples. It is super easy. So that is for addition. What about subtraction? Same thing holds for subtraction also, because addition and subtraction is one and the same itself. 0, 10, 20. 10, 20, 30. If you are subtracting 10 from each values, you will get 0, 10, 20. Now the average value is 10. That is nothing but 20 minus 10. Here it was 20 plus 10. Here it was 20 minus 10, because you subtracted. Same thing is true for multiplication also. If all numbers are multiplied by a common number, average will also be multiplied by the same common number. 10, 20, 30 multiplied by 10, 100, 200, 300. Average is 200. That is nothing but 10 times 20. Similarly, if all observations are divided by common number 10, average will also be divided by the same common number 10. All of you are understanding? So that is what I have written here. Add x, subtract x, multiply x, divide x to all values. Arithmetic mean also the change is the same itself. We discussed about variance and standard deviation also. In the same case, if all values are added by a common number, variance will not have any change. I have explained it in this examples, but as it was not frequently asked or not asked much, I will give you as homework to try this out yourself. And No change for addition and subtraction, but for multiplication the change will be square of that value. If you are multiplying by x, variance will be multiplied by x square. 200 by 3 variance है तो उसका 10 square 100 से multiply करके 20,000 by 3 होगा इसका variance. Similarly, division by x means you have to divide by x square. If all values are divided by x, variance will change by x square, dividing by x square. That is 200 by 3 by 10 square, 2 by 3 here it will be. And in the standard deviation case also, for addition subtraction no change. For multiplication division, just like arithmetic mean, same changes what we did. Multiplication means multiplication by x itself. Division by x means division by x itself. So if you don't want to learn variance standard deviation for the time sake, it's okay. But arithmetic mean, please learn this property. This is important. This much at least. Sorry, this much at least. All clear? Now, next concept is mixtures concept or mixtures concepts. One concept in mixtures chapter is called alligation trick. This is nothing but the continuation of this batch average concept. What was the batch average concept? All of you understood, na? Now, if the question is this format, look at this format. Average height of boys in the class is 165, girls is 150. And if the entire average is 160, in the previous question, what was the average? That is what we explained in that batch average question. But here the batch average is already given 160. What is the ratio of boys and girls? How many girls, how many boys would have been there? Or what is their ratio? In this scenario, that means two values are mixed to get another value. In that scenario, the trick of alligation can be used. This is a trick that is very much useful in chemistry, but in aptitude also this is very much useful actually. This is called alligation diagram. Listen very carefully. So this question normally we can do with batch average concept. How? Look at this. Let girls number be G and boys number be B. So girls average is 165 means G number of girls 165 average. So G into 165 plus B number of boys 150 average. Sorry, this is boys. So B into 165 plus G into 150 divided by G, B plus G, that is equal to combined average 160 given in the question. This if you solve it by simplifying, cross multiplying, you will get B by G or G by B ratio, which will turn out to 1 by 2. But this is very time consuming. Here we use this batch average concept. But without using that, how to solve it? That is called alligation diagram or alligation trick. Very carefully listen. Here 150, 165 combined average is 160. 150, 160 difference is what? 10. Difference means positive difference only. Bigger number minus smaller number. 10 na? Write it diagonally. Don't write it down. Write it diagonally. And 165, 160 difference is what? 5. Write it diagonally. Diagonally means girls number 5, boys number 10. That is what we are establishing. If girls number is 5, boys number will be 10. So 5 by 10 means 1 by 2 is the ratio needed. All of you understood this? So let me ask you, let's see whether you all understood. I will change this 165 to 170 and this 150 to 160 and this to 168. Can you find the ratio, all of you? Same question itself. 170, 160 and 168. What is the ratio of girls to boys in the class? Due to lack of time, I will start explaining. 160, 170 combined, you are getting 168. Diagonally write the difference. So this is girls number and boys number that we are searching for. So this difference is what? 8. This difference is what? 2. That means if girls number is 2, boys number will be 8. So girls by boys ratio will be 2 by 8, that is 1 by 4. All of you understood this? Please respond. All clear? So that is called allegation trick. This trick is not limited to this question or this type of question. What if the question is saying that the average salary of men in the factory is 8,000 and average salary of women is 10,000, but the combined average salary is 9,500 only. Men average salary 8,000, women or average salary 10,000. Combined average salary is 9,500. What is the ratio of men to women? Same idea itself, na? Two values mixed to get another value. In all those scenarios, you can do this. So 1,500, this is 500. So the ratio of men to women will be 500 by 1,500, that is 1 by 3. Or if the question is two salt solutions, one with 40% concentration and another with 60% concentration. When it is mixed, you are getting 55% concentration. So what ratio it was mixed? Same idea here also you can do that. 15, 5. So 5 by 15, 1 by 3 is the ratio. All of you are understanding? In different scenario, this allegation trick will help you. So that is one important concept of mixtures. So mixtures, there is another type of question, that is replacement displacement type question, that I haven't created a flashcard for that. If possible, I will try to create a flashcard and update it. So displacement replacement type question means, for example, the question says that initially there is pure milk of 100 liter pure milk in a milkman, with a milkman. That milkman is taking 10 liter of milk and replacing it by 10 liter water. Now again he is getting 10 liter from this mixture and replacing it by water. Now what is the ratio of milk to water? These kinds of situation, that is another type that we have discussed already in the other playlist. I will share that link in the Telegram channel, the practice questions. In that I will add those kinds of questions also. So that are the major two types of questions in mixtures. One is allegation trick related question, which is explained in this flashcard. Second is the other one that I just mentioned, replacement displacement type. So that is about mixtures chapter. Is it clear, all of you? All of you got the clarity of the things we have discussed today? Average also, mixtures also we have discussed. Hope this flashcards you are able to understand properly. Some of the flashcards, just by reading, if it is confusing, that is why I thought like this video series will give you a clarity on the flashcards. So anything else, any other doubts or anything, please ask. Hope the series is helping you. If so, please share this to maximum people. I need a motivation of more people watching my sessions. That is a big motivation to give more of my time on this YouTube channel, because currently I take classes in different platforms, but this is the channel where I try to give maximum free classes also and my own initiative. So I want to invest more time on this initiative if more people are interested on this. So do let me know whether this was useful in the comment section. And thank you so much for many of you who commented on the previous videos. Thank you for the good words. Thank you for the encouragement. Keep supporting all such initiatives which is helpful for students of any educator. Please support those initiatives. So tomorrow we will come up with the next topic. So all the topics are already scheduled in this playlist. You can click the notify me option for YouTube to notify you, or subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates from this channel. In the community tab also you can get updates of all updates we are posting. So that's it. Once again reminding, check out the other playlist in this channel. You can see more previous year questions discussed in other playlists. For UPSC CSAT, quant and reasoning and comprehension are covered in different videos. And for CSIR NET, almost about 800 videos are there in different playlists together. For GATE, we have provided a complete free course itself. So as much as possible, I have tried to give free initiatives, and these playlists that I am creating, let it be useful for different years. That is why I am investing this time now on this flashcards also. So if any of your friends in the future also want to learn aptitude, recommend this channel if you feel that this is useful. for different exams. We are trying to expand to more exams. So in the upcoming months you will see more courses or more free initiatives or more complete courses also in this through this channel. So once again reminding, the GATE complete course is launched in our mobile application Christy's classes. 60 live lectures and online study materials. Online study materials includes this 100 flashcards, 50 topic wise PDFs, 50 practice worksheets and test series also. Complete theory of all topics, latest previous year question solutions, live doubt clearing sessions, shortcut tricks and exam hacks, practice worksheets and mock tests. All things are included in this course. The course will be in Hindi and English. The course can be accessed in laptop and mobile. The launch offer is ₹1,999 for the 1 year duration or till your upcoming GATE exam. It will be valid. If you have any doubts, you can contact in this number, or you can download the mobile app and see more details there. And for CSIR NET exam, already the complete course is launched. The recorded videos plus online study materials. For 3 months, this is the special price with online study materials. Free demo videos are given in the platform so that you will get clarity or how the lectures are proceeding. You can get a clarity by going through the demo videos. So in this course also, theory, previous year questions and practice question along with shortcut tricks, exam hacks are included. So those of you are preparing for CSIR NET, GATE we have already launched. For UPSC we will be launching in the upcoming months a complete course for UPSC CSAT also. Even if these topics are, these exams aptitude section is similar, the corresponding previous year questions of each exam is discussed in the complete courses itself. So that is why the complete course for each exams you can make use of. And those of you want flashcards, once again the flashcards till your exam this June month, this 20-day validity offer is running. So those of you want to use the flashcards for the upcoming exam, use it, and after exam do let me know whether it helped you in any way to remember the concept faster, revise the concept faster, and also the review about this course also do let me know before the class or before the exam or after the exam if it was helpful. And that's it. If there is no other doubts, let's conclude. Next class we will come up with the next topic. So that's it. Thank you all of you. Take care all of you. All the best for your upcoming exam. Check out the other previous year question discussion videos also for extra clarity or extra practice. And in our Telegram channel I will post more videos on these topics if possible, arithmetic mean related videos, mixtures and alligation related videos. More videos I will post in the channel after this class. So thank you, take care, bye bye. Check the description of the video for more free resources. Have a good night, bye bye, take care.